temperatures cool down, now is the perfect time to outfit your space with some fall gadgets. Here with his favorites, home contractor Skip Bedell. Hey Skip, how you doing? I know you got some good stuff for us today.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, I'm out here sitting by my outdoor fireplace. This thing is amazing. This is from RTA Outdoor, the same company that made our outdoor kitchen. So these things are really incredible. They come in a system, a kit delivered to your home. You can build it yourself just in a couple of hours. What's really nice, you have a lot of different options with these, different sizes, different types of stone panels, brick, even a weathered wood look. So this is a stone that matches our outdoor kitchen. It's 8 feet wide by 5 feet high. It gives you that real feeling of an indoor living room, but it provides enough heat that we can stay in here right through the fall and right into the winter time as well. So it really extends your outdoor living season. And that's really all the things that I'm going to be talking about today is what we could do to stay out here even longer. So this is an amazing fire feature from RTA Outdoor. Let me show you this. This is also from RTA Outdoor Living. This is a 5-foot fire table. You can sit at this, you can dine at it. It's got an HPC burner with amazing Bluetooth technology. This whole fire table you can control with your smartphone. You can turn it on and off. You can adjust the flame height. This thing is amazing. It allows you to not only get the fire, but you can dine right at it. Storage propane tank inside. And last thing I want to show you this, guys. I love these. These are handmade right here in America. This is the Halo Fire Torch. So this is different than your average tiki torch. This uses Vortex technology. If you look at these glass panels, what it does is it pulls the air in. So unlike regular tiki torches on a windy night, they might blow out. Watch this. The more wind, the bigger the fire gets. Okay, so it comes in different styles, like this tabletop version. It also comes, like you see on poles that you can put in the ground or on a patio platform. So Halo Fire Torch using Vortex technology. All these things will allow you to stay outside. It creates like a really nice ambiance too, you know? You can see all the different features and different looks of it. Yeah, thank you so much. Check it out on my website.
Thank you so much. And people, SkipBedell.com looks like a vacation resort out there. Every time Skip brings stuff, I want it. I know I speak for the audience as well. Thanks so much, Skip.